Cussing in your YouTube videos, is it a good idea, bad idea? It really depends on how frequently you're going to be cussing and the actual words that you're going to be using. YouTube has its own policy on what would be completely out of the question to what would limit your monetizing opportunities to what's completely free and which is fair game, I guess you could say. So let me go ahead and start off with what is basically everybody can go ahead and do on their videos. All right, so first off, thumbnails and videos, anything that's abbreviated or censored, like anything that you bleep out, that's perfectly fine for you to do. Anything abbreviated like WTF, those are perfectly fine for you to do as well. You can even put those in your thumbnails and you won't have a problem. Things like damn, hell, those are perfectly fine to do throughout the entire video. Even more moderate language like what you'll see at the bottom of this video, those are perfectly fine for you to use as well, even if you use them, throughout the video. Things that will end up getting you restricted, on the other hand, is if you put what you can see down below. If you use these particular words in your thumbnails, then yeah, you're gonna limit the amount of money that you can make from here. And also, if you use the F word within the first 7 seconds of a video, while you can still use the F word throughout a video, you will have to monitor how much, because if there's still a bar there that YouTube will consider is a little over the line, which will make you go from monetized to restricted, limited ads. So you got to be on the lookout for that. So lastly, the things that will get you demonetized on YouTube is if you using hateful speech throughout your video, or if you put it in your thumbnails, that will get you automatically demonetized. You will also more than likely have a problem with getting some of your stuff blocked on YouTube and potentially getting a copyright strike, because that goes against their YouTube policies. But I would say in general, there's plenty of people that you have seen that are on YouTube right now that has multiple cuss words throughout their video and they're still completely monetized, no limited ads and anything like that. But for yourself, just make sure that you are staying vigilant on your videos. Have fun, but at the same time, you or your editor, whoever's editing your stuff, make sure that it doesn't seem like you're going overboard. Hopefully this video helped you out, and if it did, go ahead and leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.